Hello viewers, so today what we are going to look at is how we can find and replace words in Microsoft Word. Okay, for instance, you're editing a document, and there are many things that you need to change. Okay, and maybe the only error that you have in your document is that you wrote somewhere 2000, but then you have like 1,000 pages to go through to see where you wrote 2000. Okay, so how can we find this 2000 and replace it with another figure? That's what we are going to look at. So basically what we need to do now, if you're next to your laptop or computer, open your Word document. It has to look like the way you're seeing my screen here. So what you're going to do next, you're going to come to your extreme right, according to me, right. So you're going to tap on here where you're seeing find and replace. Okay, so when you tap here, you're going to come here to replace. So basically we are going to find the word that you've been looking for, then we are going to replace it with the word that you wanted to replace it with. Okay, so you come here. So when you tap on replace, they are going to bring you this window. So basically this window, they are going to prompt you, actually they are going to ask you, what are you looking for? In other words, what should we replace? What is it that you want us to replace? Okay, so you must be so keen at the words you put in here that you're looking for. So we need to write this same format. The way you're seeing here, it's what we need to write here. So I'm going to write 2, then there is this, then 3 zeros. Okay, so the next part here, it's actually prompting us to put what we want to replace with. Okay, so when you come here, you're going to either let's say 5,000. Okay, 5,000. So having done all this, we are actually prompting the entire system to change this one automatically to 5,000. So you're going to come here, to replace all. Okay, so you're going to click here and it's going to replace. So basically it's saying that all done. So basically it's saying that we only found 2000, and if you're to look here keenly where we've been prompting to change, it has changed from 2000 to 5000. So that's how you change, the words in Word document to another word, or you replace words in Word document. For instance, if we want also to change this one years, we can just come here, put years, with what, so we could just do this same thing. So when we come here to replace, okay, so it's saying that we made one replacement and they only found one. So basically in our entire document we only had 1 years in the document. So if you come here again, you're going to see that we changed from years, the actual spelling, to YRS. So this is how you have to be, this is how you replace the words in Word document. And the other thing, the point to take home, make sure you write just as it is. Make sure they are exact. Okay, don't change anything. If you put here 5,000 and you forget this comma, it's not going to change because it's far way different. Okay, so you must make sure that they look the same. So thank you for watching. Still, I kindly request, please subscribe. Just tap on the subscribe button and you will be supporting me. So thank you. See you in our next video. Shalom.